perfect, the love that is pure, that we may with patience all things well endure. I want to feel humble, more simple, more mild, more like my blessed Master, and more like a child, more trustful, more thankful, more lovely in mind, more watchful, more prayerful, more loving and kind. I want the pure wisdom that comes from above, that warns those in danger with tenderest love. I want the sweet Spirit of Jesus my Lord, and perfect accordance with His blessed word. I want to touch lightly the things of this earth, esteeming them only of trifling worth. From sin and its bondage I would be set free, and